ligaments, cartilage, bone, brain, blood cells. They can actually turn into those cells, or they can cause those cells to be made, new cartilage cells. And when we're talking about your joints, that's what we're interested in doing. This is going to be about. So when you first came in, Miss Miller, how was your knee?
It was very sore, hurt, and I had been through it with the other knee, so I knew I was in for it.
Yeah. And what did you do on the other knee?
I had a knee replacement on the other knee, and I did not want to do that again.
Okay. I think a number of people are in that boat. Is there, since you had the knee replacement, is there a reason why you didn't want the knee replacement?
Yes, because it still bothers me.
It still bothers you?
You know, there's a foreign object in there, and it just bothers me all the time.
Okay.
It's with you all the time.
Okay. And on the stem cell therapy, when we did that, after that stem cell therapy, how's your knee now?
I'm not in any pain. It's completely left me. I would wake up in the middle of the night with it hurting, but since the stem cell, I don't have that anymore.
Oh, that's excellent.
And the thing is, I can walk without limping.
Yeah, and you're an active one, aren't you?
Yes, I work out at the gym. I do all kinds of things and physically, and that was just such a hindrance. But now, and to not have that pain is miraculous.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
That's really good. And for anybody that's interested in getting stem cell therapy, what would you tell them?
I would tell them it's more or less saved my life, my lifestyle.
Okay, good. Yeah, your ability to do things,
right.
Go on trips, and really kind of enjoy your
Right,
life.
and just everyday functions.
Okay.
Before, you know, I was pretty much a couch potato.
Yeah.
But now I can get up and do things, and I'm back at the gym.
Hooray! Well, thanks, Miss Miller.
Thanks.
Okay, very good. And Christy, when you first came to the Institute, how were you?
I had 3 bulging discs in my neck.
That's bad.
Yeah.
You in pain?
It did hurt every now and then, but you know, Advil and stuff like that would help.
Okay.
But of course, I wanted to get rid of the Advil, to not have to take that every day.
Did it ever get you down?
No.
Okay. You didn't let it get you down.
No.
That's good. Good. How about headaches? Bad headaches?
I had migraine headaches.
Okay.
Yes, I had at least 2 a month.
Okay. Bad headaches. And how are you now?
Since I had the DABCI
Mm-hmm.
on my neck, my headaches are almost pretty much gone.
Okay.
I haven't had one in, I'd say, over 7 months.
And how's your neck?
My neck feels much, much, much better.
Oh, excellent.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
great. And have you noticed any strength increase, or is it any change in that, in your strength in your arms? Or did you ever notice any weakness?
No, now when I first came here, I had tingling sensations where my hand would fall asleep if I was driving, and it doesn't do that anymore.
Perfect, perfect. So you think that at the Institute for Physical and Regenerative Medicine that the DABCI non-surgical decompression is valuable for people? You think that would be a good thing
I
to
think
do?
it's extremely valuable for people. I mean, it got me out of pain, stopped my headaches that I'd had for years and years and years. Even went to a migraine specialist quite some time ago. He didn't know what to do about them, so all they did was put me on medication. But the headaches are gone now, and it's been amazing for me.
Oh, good.
Yes.
Well, thank you very much for sharing this with people.
No, well, thank you so much for allowing me to share it.
Okay, great.